The human skull isn't actually a single piece. It's made up of many bones fused together. The two bones here are the parietal bones, which when joined form the top of the skull. The wavy line between them is called a suture. This specific one, the sagittal suture, runs vertically, dividing the skull into left and right halves. The next important part is the frontal bone, a pair of membranous bones forming the forehead and the upper front portion of the skull. It connects with the parietal bones via another suture, the coronal suture. This suture, similar to the sagittal suture, closes as the skull develops, typically completing closure around the age of 1. The skull's primary role is to protect the brain, which is highly complex, filled with billions of nerve cells and neurons. Now moving on to the maxillary and zygomatic bones. The maxilla is located on either side of the nasal cavity and is an irregular bone that plays a key role in forming the upper jaw. The zygomatic bones, also known as cheekbones, are diamond-shaped and sit just below the outer eye orbits. They form the widest part of the face and contribute to its overall shape and appearance. Finally, there are the two fragile temporal bones, located near each ear on the sides of the skull. Interestingly, there's a gap between these bones and the rest of the skull called the mastoid fontanelle, which doesn't fully close until around age 70. These bones are not only essential to the auditory system, but they also contribute to protecting the brain. When all these bones come together, they form the complete and distinctive structure of the human skull.